We showed you earlier that the U.S. just hit a new record for daily COVID cases. This morning, Europe is also in crisis. Britain reported almost 130,000 new cases yesterday, its highest daily number since the pandemic began. Germany, France, and Spain are also breaking records. That means new restrictions, with each country taking a different approach, as Charlie D'Agata reports.
The streets of Paris would normally be packed over the festive period, but not after France reported a record high, nearly 180,000 cases in a single day. People have been asked to work from home 3 days a week, and New Year's Eve celebrations have been called off too. Sure, a lot of people will be disappointed the fireworks are canceled, he says, especially in Paris, but we have to stop this contagion. They're not alone. Italy, Greece, Portugal, and England all reported record one-day highs. Although early studies suggest Omicron may be causing milder illness than previous variants, Reading University's Dr. Simon Clark warned Omicron should not be underestimated.
We are in a situation where we don't know with any surety at all how many people are going to end up in hospital. So while we don't know that, we cannot design those restrictions to bring down the number of infections by the level that is needed.
New, stiffer lockdowns across Europe include shutting nightclubs and canceling large-scale events. Germany has banned groups of more than 10 from gathering in order to discourage New Year's Eve parties. Yet England decided not to impose any further restrictions, instead pushing for people to get vaccinations and boosters. It's a confusing picture.
If they get this right and don't lock down or don't impose further restrictions when they don't need to, they will be hailed for that. But if they get it wrong, there will be serious political trouble if they end up filling the hospitals with people struggling to breathe.
And this is the same situation we may be looking at in the United States.
Exactly. It's the same situation any government is looking at.
The World Health Organization has issued a new warning that Omicron could overwhelm global health systems. Here in the UK, Prime Minister Boris Johnson says the vast majority of patients in intensive care have not had booster shots. Vlad?
All right, Charlie D'Agata in London for us. Charlie, thank you as always, my friend.